Okay, today I'm on a service call, my last one of the day, hopefully. So this one's on, that's not cool. That one's on. That doesn't feel like warm air coming out though. There's also, let's see, no water out of that drain. That one's warm, water's out of this drain. What do we have here? Nothing's labeled. I love it when nothing's labeled. A lot of water at this one. Okay. Well. Heat coming out of this. Interesting. Somebody put the door back on wrong. I'm not here for that. So, that has some water. This one has no water coming out. This is the one that felt warm. Okay, so here we go again. I do not have my thing to keep it on, so I'm going to put the phone back here. Hopefully, not the phone, but the GoPro camera there. We're going to check the apartment because I have nothing coming out of it. This space housing was stopped before, so I was expecting to find a unit open. Let's see what's happening. Here, we got water here. Okay, and the compressor is wet. Ooh. Oil. Okay, let's move this door out of the way. It's a crappy tight spot to go in. But here is the capacitor. It looks like it blew its load behind it, just oil behind it, but nope, oil's there. Well, I'm not sure. We're going to have to find out where all that oil there came from. But let's shut this unit down. My disconnect is where we will start. The lady probably turned it on as it was going to the roof. I was looking for the unit that was not working. I love the space that they give me to operate in. But oh, we got a bad capacitor. That's why the compressor wasn't running. The condenser fan was. The blower was. As you can see on this capacitor, it is barely swollen, but it's swollen. It's shorted and it grounded itself right out the back right here. Do you see that? That's just shot right out the back and grounded right to the casing. And that's what all that behind the compressor is from. All that oil. That exploded. So yeah. So I'm curious if I'm reading an open line everywhere around here. But this thing is a piece of garbage at this point. I have to get another one. But I just fan open line to common, to common. Okay, so let me show. Make sure the meter works. Okay, I dropped it. You can even see the oil coming out of the bottom. Now we're gonna go to common, and we still have an open line. Fan to common, open line. But which one just beeped? Oh, that's garbage. Okay, it's garbage. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm up here. I gotta get off this roof, get a capacitor. I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna be doing, because this is a 70, it's a 70/10. We stock turbos on our trucks because it's just easier than trying to figure out or trying to find the right size, because we can't have hundreds of these things on our truck. And people say, hey, but they're too expensive. Who cares? We got the job done, right? Make them pay. It's that, or hey, I gotta come back tomorrow with a capacitor. That's not what you want to tell your customers. I gotta run out to the supply house. So, do you bill them while you go get a capacitor? Really? Can you actually do that? So I need a 10. So right now I'm 70. I got a 10 on here. So the purple is going to go to 10. So I've got a 3-wire fan over there. Yellow wire here. Nope, the yellow wire is going all the way to my compressor. That looks like my start wire. So that is going to go to the 50. So we want to connect this on to the bigger of the two when you're using the turbo. At least that's what they say. But I guess if your jumper falls off, then at least you're connected to the bigger microfarad side. Okay, now everything's connected. So we got our fan. Let's just move this up. This tight. Right there, everything here is connected. Everything's on tight, no loose wires. Nope. I was wrong. I thought really when they said they smelled smoke and they had it shut down, that they were actually having a burned out blower. So that's turn this on. Let's close the blower compartment, since there's no reason for this to be open. Go. There's the compressor humming away. Let's run our intros on our compressor. Level 9 on the red side. 14.7. Okay. Well, I start stripping and testing. It's not good. Let's see how bad we'll strip into it. Oh, just a little bit. I can't have that. Oh, there you go. No AC, condenser fan runs, compressor won't because of the back capacitor. Until next time on the HVAC Hacker, I'm out.